Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my mom and we are going to be squishy trading, and I've seen this trend all over, so we're gonna be doing this trend. 3, 2, 1!
Oh my gosh.
Nito for Nito, nice, cute. Well, wait, let me feel yours. Except.
Oh, this feels different. Mine's much more harder. Okay. I'll accept.
Okay.
Because I do like pink.
Actually, wait now.
Oh, what?
It's pink. It's pink.
Okay.
That's a fake Nito.
But it's still very satisfying. Feel it.
Wait, guys. It's like sticky. Okay, well, add. One more thing.
One more thing?
One more
Okay.
thing.
Oh.
Accept.
Oh, okay. All right. Accept.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put the things you get right here. We're just gonna. Okay. 1. Well, mine's crunchy.
Add.
I will add this Nito Dream Drop.
Is it a real Nito?
Yeah. Yeah, it's real. Add?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll add this apple, guys.
That's an apple? Oh, I see. It is an apple.
I'll add the apple. Accept?
Yeah. Yay. I love the apple.
Yeah, it's like it's a pink apple. Mine's an RMS dumpling, so.
It's RMS?
You're gonna have to. I'm not adding. You're adding. Add.
No.
Add.
Okay, you got this.
That's off-brand.
But plus a real Nito, a pup.
Oh wait.
This is really watery.
Yeah, it's gel.
Hmm.
Okay, add. Wait, give me one more thing. Okay, you said.
All right. Accept. Yay.
Oh, oopsies.
Somehow I don't think I got a good deal.
Yes, you did. You literally did.
Okay.
1. Okay. Mine is in Niceberg in its packaging. So add. What the heck?
Something's wrong with his ear. Okay.
Add.
I'll give this.
A mini dumpling?
Yeah.
Come on, this is the rare Niceberg and it's still in the packaging.
But this is mini.
I need Nitos.
Okay. How about this? It's an RMS.
It's a fake dumpling.
Oh, I thought it was RMS.
Add.
What?
Oh my gosh, this is the Niceberg. Do you want it or not?
Is this a real one?
No.
Here's.
Add.
There's 4 things here.
Add. I need to see Nitos. No.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I do like this. Add.
Decline.
No.
I don't
I
want.
said add.
I don't want to keep giving you stuff.
Well then.
All right. Yeah.
Add.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's like wet. Add.
There's 2
I
Nitos.
need to see Nitos. This is the Niceberg in its packaging.
Okay. How about this guy?
Ooh, it's a glitter dumpling.
A teeny tiny mini dumpling.
But
It's so small. So cute.
I need to see Nitos.
What about this?
I mean, it's good, but like, this is the Niceberg. Add.
Okay, butter.
I said.
you. Oh, wow. All this for this thing.
I did not scam her, guys. I did not scam
Okay.
her. 2, 1.
Cheese and apple.
This is the big cheese
Mm,
pad.
okay, how about banana?
Oh,
Look at that.
okay.
So many points to squeeze.
Okay, accept.
All right. Accept. Ooh. Oh, this is heavy. Big cheese, baby.
Got the banana. 2, 1. Bro.
Oh, I love that one.
It's a pink gummy bear.
Accept.
No. This would be fair for these.
Okay.
Well, actually, this one needs one more thing, and this one needs a thing. This is the glitter
Okay.
dumpling with a face, guys.
Okay.
It's glitter. Is
How about
from
this?
the new purple holographic RMS dump. Is that the crunchy one?
Mm-hmm. It is crunchy.
Okay, but like the face is like kind of ruined, so like this would be fair for this.
Oh, I think not.
Yeah, you're gonna have to add. This is a glitter dumpling.
Okay. I will add this.
I just traded you that.
Okay. How about this?
Get that fake stuff away. A pink Nito cube. Add. I need to see Nitos. I just need to see Nitos. A gummy bear. I'm trading you a gummy bear. That one's broken.
Okay.
Get that fake all gummy bear away.
Okay, this guy.
That's an RMS dumpling without its face.
Yeah. But it feels so good.
It does. Add one more thing. I need Nitos.
Okay, I don't have any.
Yeah, you do, Gun. I need Nitos.
There isn't any Nitos over here.
Girl, yes there is, bro.
This thing? No, that's a
Well,
huge Nito. You can have this.
Actually, that would be fair. Wait.
Okay.
This?
Okay, how about this?
Okay, wait.
That's totally fair.
Wait. This would be fair for this glitter. And then this would be fair for this. Because this is a rare Nito.
Okay, fine.
Accept?
Yep.
I don't know how I do it. I totally scammed you, bro. That's fake glitter dumpling.
Oh my gosh. Not cool, man. Later.
Guys, wait. We're unboxing this.
You can do it.
Bro,
Oh my
what
gosh.
the heck?
Don't break it.
It's so big. Okay. Bye. Peace out, bro.
Bye.
Shaka.